So I got asked today how to find the right camera angles. And it really boils down to script. Script is your key in deciding how you want to pace your film. Once you get your script, you can find a storyboarding program. I found this on, I think it was storyboarder.com, and it'll give you everything that you need. So you can sketch in your quick thumbnails and kind of rough out your plot. Here you can see I've added multiple sheets, and from there I can just kind of sketch and build. Very simple, and it'll create an animatic because then I can play each individual sheet. Next, you want to think about your focus. What is the most important thing in the scene? And then you compose that into your storyboard. Think about camera angles. What is going to portray the emotion that you want in your scene? Pay attention to what you want your audience to know. So if you are having them follow on a journey, how do you tell that in a story? If you play it back and you find it's boring, then you need to speed it up, add more camera angles. If you play it and it's too fast and you don't know what's going on, well, then it needs to be slowed down, so you need to cut. This is what general production is for any animated film or even movie. Alright, let me know if this helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and ask, even if you want me to look at your storyboards.